Hey everyone, my name is Dallas Chase and I'm the founder of AIM, Artificially Intelligent Machine Shop. So the mission of AIM is to be able to produce custom manufacturing equipment in 1 week through the use of automation or robotics. Last summer I was a powertrain manufacturing engineer at Tesla Motors, and what my job was to convert craftsman style production lines into automated production lines. So a craftsman style production line is very labor based. There's a lot of operators, a lot of manual operations, and so what we were trying to do was convert that line into a very automated line with a lot of machines and robotics. And so one of the big holdups on that is when I design my parts for that line, then I need to test it and try it out to see if it works, and if it does work, awesome, we move ahead and continue automating the next piece. If it doesn't, I kind of got to go back and revisit it. And so one of the big holdups in this whole iterative process is the machine shops and the lag of getting your parts back from the machine shops and trying them out. So there's two different types of machine shops. There's small 1 to 2 man machine shops. They're able to get you your parts very fast and quickly, but they lack precision. So they can only be used as temporary solutions because they would create high failure rates in an actual production line. And then the other shops are large, premium, precision, established machine shops. And these shops produce excellent quality parts, but they have they're in high demand, so they have a lot of orders, and to get a lead time of like 2 weeks, they'll charge you a premium for. So a general lead time you can expect from these shops is about 4 weeks. So in the same way that craftsman style production lines convert to automated production lines, that's what we want to do for machine shops. Now the trick here is machine shops have to make custom, very unique manufacturing equipment each time. They're not like manufacturing plants where they're just cranking out the exact same part thousands of times a day. So how we're going to do this is we're going to commonize parts for these mini production lines. And so the first one that we're going to do is aluminum extrusion. So aluminum extrusion is used for robotic enclosures around a robot to protect an operator from reaching in and injuring themselves. So why we picked this part is because it's used in almost every application, and there's only 3 simple machining processes to it. So we're working closely with a company called Item North America to develop this machine. We estimate that the aluminum extrusion market is about 500 million among about 30 different companies. And these aluminum extrusion companies spend about 15% of their annual revenue on labor, so our target market is about 75 million. And then what AIM will eventually do is it'll do the same thing for another product, polycarbonate guarding, and then after that we'll do one for jig plates, and at about that time we will actually open up our own machine shop instead of just leasing equipment for everyone else. And the annual revenue for machine shops is about 50 billion among 20,000 different machine shops. So our target market there is 50 billion. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope to see you at TechWeek Chicago.